This box contains the SD-RED 20. Inside we find the usual paperwork, the Quickstart guide for example, though you'll also find a specific tutorial for that in our knowledge base, link is in the description. Further down there's a set of cables, some stickers containing the MAC address and serial number, some rubber studs to facilitate cooling, depending on how you choose to place the device, and lastly, the power supply, where you'll also find a set of country-specific power adapters. A new feature is that you'll be able to hook up to 2 power adapters, giving you a redundant power supply. The SD-RED 20 features a maximum throughput of 250 megabits per second compared to the 90 megabits of its predecessor. Its LAN ports allow you to connect up to 4 devices. The WAN port can be used normally, but you may also opt to use the SFP port instead. Lastly, the device also has a 5-year warranty. Another feature is that you'll be able to upgrade your SD-RED 20 with further modules. For example, with a Wi-Fi module or with a 3G, 4G LTE module. This means that instead of there being a successor to the SD-RED 15W, you'll be able to simply upgrade your SD-RED 20 instead. The device can be operated using SFOS 17.5 MR11 or version 18 MR1 or later, as well as using UTM version 9.7 MR3 or later.